Good afternoon, everybody. Me and Addison, we're here in Shelbyville at the auction. And as you can see, it started and pretty busy down here. It's muddy too. We'll see if we can get anything. We're line to get our bidder's number. We'll see how we do today.
Yes.
All right, YouTube, we got our number. Me and Addison with me. 616, eh?
616.
616. All right. So now we're gonna walk over here and see if we can get in line and see if there's anything still ready to buy over here. Come on. See it. I think they already sold the tractor.
25, 30, 39, 35, 35, 40, 40, 45, 45, 45,
Some more footage here for everybody. We came late today, but still a little bit here. Not as much as the first time, but probably going to save some money this time, this trip. All right, walk around the back side of the auction here. What's down here in the back. That Batwing has seen its last day.
I sold $1,500. 420. 420 the buyer. Hey, now we got a Polaris.
Not seeing much down here.
Hey, we got a 2019 is what I'm told. Polaris 4-door Ranger. Big cab now. Big cab Ranger right there.
These containers could be interesting. Just have to find a way to get them out of here. Nothing. That'd be a good storage trailer. They got two of them here. I don't know how they're going to sell them. It'd work for what I need. Just if I can buy them cheap enough and get them out of here. Think of some fence posts. Probably be a good deal for somebody. I'm not ready for fencing yet. Right. Plenty of fence posts.
$14,000 right up front. Clear on the buyer number.
Might take a chance on this tractor here. It's Ford 4600, two-wheel drive, old, maybe low dollars, but it's got a bush hog on it, so maybe they're going to separate it. I see the tag. So yeah, we'll see what this one comes out like.
Now 15, 14 to the 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 15, 15, 14 to the 15, 14 to the 15, 15 to 16, 15 to the 16, 15 to the 16, 18 to the 16, 15 to the 16, 15 to the 16, 15 to the 16, loaded 15, huh? Everybody get 5,000, 4,000, everybody get 4,000, 3,000 bucks. Everybody get 3 down, 2 down, 25. 8 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 2,500. 8 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25. 10,000 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25. 8 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25. 10 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25. I'm all the way in the back on the fence truck. 2,000 now, 25. 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25. 2 down, 25, 2 down, 2,500. 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25. 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25. 10,000 now, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25. Hey, thinking a little bit more. Come on up to the next truck here. All right, up next we got a Sterling fertilizer.
Not what I'm really looking for, but we'll see what it sells for. Dump truck. A little bit of frame damage, but nothing too bad. Take a look inside here.
Got some Chevy wheels, 388.
It's pretty clean inside.
You close it?
Yeah, close.
Hey, so Chevy wheels right there. All right, here, who would give $100? Everybody get $100. 50, 25, just the wheel. Hey, 25, 30, 25, 30, 35, 35, 35, 35, 46, 47, 45, 45, 50,
Not bad. Let's see what it does. There's 8 out there a little bit.
3 down, 35, 3 down, 35, 35, 4,000, 3 down, 35, 4,000, 4,000, $4,000, 4,000, 45, 4 down, 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 42 and a half, 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 4,000 now, 42 and a half, 4 down, 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 42, Eric, you want in? 4 down, 42 and a half, 4 down, 42 and a half, 4 down, 42 and a half. Sold it right here, $4,000. Put it on the buyer number. 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15. We'll sell it $14,000 straight away. Put it on a buyer number. That's a 143.
Bidding on that truck right there?
Yeah, the white one. How'd they get the bed up if it ain't right?
I wouldn't read that. I didn't put 95 bid on.
It's electric.
That was?
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
I thought they said
Hey, still right back here in the back. All right here. Who would he give say? $15,000. Anybody get 15?
It wasn't me.
14. 13. Anybody get 13,000? $10,000 on that one in. Who gives 6,000? Mark me somewhere. 5,000 is. 2,000, 25, 2,000, 25, 2,000, 25, 2,000, 25, 2,000, 25, 25, 3,000, 45, 3,000, 35, 3,000, 35, 3,000, 35, 35, 4,000,
Yeah. I see everybody walking away.
65. Sold at 6,000.
Addison.
All right, here.
They're gonna separate it.
8,000 bucks. Anybody get 8,000?
Oh, maybe.
7,000. $5,000 on the 4,600. 2 down, 25, 2 down, 25, 25, 3 down, 3 down, 35, 35, 4,000, 4,000, 45, 45, 5,000, 5,000, 55, 55, 6,000, 6 down, 65, 65, 7,000, 7 down, 75, 75, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 85, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, got a loader on 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 75, 8,000, 77 half, I'll do that, 7 down, 75, 77 half, 75, 77, 75, 77 half, 75, 7, 75, 7, 75, 7, 75, 7, 75, 7, 75, 7, 75, 7, 76, 77, 78, 79, take 79, 78, 79, 78, now 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 79, 78, 79, 78, now 79, 78, now 79, 78, now 79, 78, now 79, 79, 220, 78, now 79, 78, now 79. Sold it, 7,800, put it on fire number 579. 2,000. $1,000, 500, 600, 500, 600, 500, 600, 600, 700, 800, 900, 900, 1,000, $1,000, $900, 900, 1,000, 1,000, 1100, 1,000, 1100, 1,000, takes, yeah, I got you for 1,000, takes 1,100, 1,100, that's what, yeah, takes 12, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100, 12, 13, 1,200, 13, 13, 14, 13, 14, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15. Sold it, $1,400. For both of them. 200. $100. Anybody give 100? 50, 75, 80, 75, 50, 75, 100, 600, 75, 100, 125, 125, 125, 129, 125, 125, now 150, 150, 125, now 150, 125, now 150, 125, now 150, 124, 150, 135, 150, 135, 150, 135, 150, now 135, 150, 135, 150, 135, 150, now 135, 150, 135, 150, 135, yep, 150, now 135, 150, 135, 150, 135, 150, 135, 150, 135, 150, now 135, 150, 175, 150, 175, 150, now 175, sold it, 150, here was. Giving all the posts there, all the posts, all right. Who to give 250? Who to give 250 on all the posts? Who to give 250? How about 100 and go? Who to give 100 on the post? Who to give 100? About 50. Who to give 50 and 75 in? Who to give 50? Not 75, 50 on 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 75. On the post now, 50 on 75, 50 on 75, 50 on 75. Now 175, now 175, now 1, and 100, now 125, 100, 125, now 50, 125, now 50, 150, now 75, 150, now 75, 150, now 75, 75, now 2, 175, now 2, 175, now 2, 175, now 2, why not? 175, now 2, 175, now 2, 175, now 2. Sold it to him for $175. That's buyer number 320. Calf Hud. Calf Hud.
I think this guy has a hobby.
We got T-posts. Get them all. Buy them all now. Buy them all. All that T-posts there. All right, who get 50? Who get 50 on the T-posts? Who get 50? Buy them all now. Buy them all. How about 25 in? Who get 25? Who get 25? Who get 10? Would you get 10? Now 15. Now 20. 15. No, now 20. 20. 20. Now 5. 20. 5. 25. Now 30. 30. Now 5. 30. 5. 30. 5. Gonna be 35. $30 and 5. I got 30 right here. Need 5. You'll be 35. 30 right here. Now 5. 35. Now 40. Now 5. $40 and 5. It's your turn, buddy. $40 and 5. $40 and 5. $40 and 5. I'm right here. 40. Now 5. $40 and 5. $40 and 5. $40 and 5. Sold it to him. $40. That's buyer number 320.
Alright guys, we did buy something. Just a quick bid, just to get it gone. These are fence slats that go in between your privacy fence. We'll have to figure out what we're going to do with them. But a bunch of them in there. Only cost us $5, so not a big expense. We'll go get our truck, load them up, head on home. Well, you can't because somebody's bought that. I said you can't, somebody's bought that. Yeah. I don't know. But they already went around this side of it. These must have not sold yet. Have they sold this line yet? It's probably about a $10,000 charger. I bet. What? Sounds like it wants to start. Yeah. It's the wrong combination somewhere, maybe.
There's keys to it.
Huh? Yeah. You want to start it? You can start it. Turn it. No, it's not. It's not. I don't need to do something here for real.
Dave, can you put on YouTube too? Put that on YouTube.
I already put on YouTube. You're going bigger. I know I can't do this. Look, this is definitely above my budget.
What?
This is definitely above my budget.
You want this one?
I would like to have a tractor like this, but it's above my budget.
Above how much you want?
How many hours?
Above how much you want to buy it?
Yeah, how many hours?
It's brand new?
Yeah. Somebody
I say this dope one.
somebody bought it and couldn't afford it, I guess. No payments on it.
Yeah, we got a skid steer jackhammer.
That's big one. I thought it was a Ford lawnmower. That's really old.
Yeah, that's old.
Ripped into pieces. I looked at the disconnection.
Alright.
Disconnection.
Then they had that 7.3 with that.
That's kind of old too, Daddy.
turbo.
Yeah, that's old too. Look at this one.